Hi everyone, this is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to say you know. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to say you know in Korean. The first one is, it's simply you know. The verb know, it's 알다 in dictionary form. When you conjugate that into polite speech, 알아요, 알아요, 알아요. When you drop yo at the end, it becomes casual speech. 알아, 알아. So the sentence you know, 너는 알아 in casual speech. 너 is you in casual way. 는 subject particle, 알아. 너는 알아. The second way to say you know is as verb ending. In English phrases, people often say you know just to confirm what you're saying, you know? In Korean, when you use 잖아 as verb ending, you use verb root and 잖아. Doesn't matter if the verb root ends with a consonant or vowel, you just use 잖아. For example, you watch Korean dramas, you know? 너는 한국 드라마를 보잖아. 너, you as casual speech, 는 subject particle, 한국, South Korea, drama is 드라마, 보잖아, 보다 is to see or watch. 너는 한국 드라마를 보잖아, you know. Second one is, you went to South Korea, you remember? You know? 너 한국에 갔잖아. 너, you again, 는 subject particle, 한국에, South Korea with location particle, 갔잖아. In this case, it's past tense verb root. I didn't conjugate it into 갔어. That's why I don't use 갔었잖아. I say 갔잖아. 너는 한국에 갔잖아. You went to South Korea, you know? The third way you can say you know is starting in the conversation. When you grab attention to somebody to start conversation and thinking how to formulate your thoughts. In English, people often say, you know what? You know? In Korean, we say, 있잖아. 저기 있잖아. There, it is actually to exist. Or it could be have, there is, there are. I'll go deep dive in this verb in another video. If you're interested in checking it out, please click the I button on the right hand side corner and watch the video afterwards. 있잖아. Again, this is a verb root and adds 잖아. 저기 있잖아. Hey bear, you know what? This is beginning of the conversation. Hey, you know what? Your fly is open. 저기 있잖아. 너 남대문 열렸어. Hey bear, you know what? 남 is south, 대문 is gate. 남대문 is south gate, but you can interpret it as your zipper of the pants. 열렸어 is 열리다 verb in the past tense. To be open. 저기 있잖아. 너 남대문 열렸어. Hey, you know what? Your fly is open. Second example. Some Korean people around you, they're talking in Korean about you. And they think that you don't understand Korean. But you can say, you know what? I understand Korean. 저기 있잖아요. 저 한국말 이해해요. 저기 있잖아요. Just by adding you becomes polite. 저, I in polite speech. 한국말 is Korean language. You can also say 한국어. 이해해요. It's 이해하다 verb to understand. 저기 있잖아요. 저 한국말 이해해요. You know what? I understand Korean. Let's recap about what we studied today. The first meaning of you know is literally you know. 너는 알아. The second one is as a verb ending. This is to confirm what you're saying and remind somebody you know. You add 잖아 after the verb root. The third one is starting of the conversation. You know what? Hey, you know? 있잖아. If you like this video today, please give thumbs up and share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.